Hello, good morning students. Children, previous week we had started with waste management in our lesson number 11, E for environment. As we have discussed last week that we should keep our environment clean, we should not pollute our surroundings, we should be very much aware how to dispose our waste products. Waste materials are generated every day in huge number or in a large quantity, but we should be very careful in disposing the waste materials because we have studied that some of the waste they take almost hundreds or millions of years to decompose. So in this way, if they remain in the surrounding for such a long period, they will pollute our surrounding, they will pollute the air, water and the land surfaces. And in this way, they will harm the plants, animals and human beings. So we should be very, careful, organized in disposing our waste products. That is called waste management. Waste should be collected and it should be, we should take care that it is not disposed in direct way. We can somehow treat it so that the harmful products are taken away and then it may be disposed in different ways. Last week we studied that some of the ways of disposing waste are dumping them in the landfill. Landfill is actually we dig the ditches and then the waste is taken to that place, and mostly it is outskirts of the city, means not in the locality but outside the city or town, and then it is disposed in that area so that and then they cover the ditch so that it does not give a foul smell and it does not pollute the surrounding areas. Later on, when the ditches are filled up, then you can make parks or gardens or other things. Then we studied about the open dumping. Open dumping also, outskirts of the city, places are chosen and waste material from the cities and towns are taken there and it is thrown or dumped in open area. Here nothing, no cover, no ditches, so that it is underground. It is in open surface, and you can understand if it is open surface, it will create lot of dirty. The area will be dirty and the animals will be littering there and it will pollute, there will be foul smell, everything. So open dumping is not a correct way of disposing waste, but people do that. Okay, it is a very common thing. Next thing, children, today we are going to study about burning. Burning. You must have seen many places people they collect the leaves or the field waste, and especially when after harvesting, people they lit fire in the field so that that fully it is disposed and they can start again plowing and sowing the seeds. So burning is another way of waste disposal, and many a times you must have seen fire around your neighborhood. People in the garden also, they collect the dry leaves and they put fire. Okay, and in this way these waste is turned into waste, ashes, and in this way they manage the waste. So today we are going to study about burning. Now in this, solid waste is collected at one place and then burned at high temperature. As we discussed in the fields, after the crops are harvested, people, the farmers, they lit the fire so that the weeds and unwanted plants and the leftover after harvesting is all disposed and it's cleared, clean, and then they can go for the next season of plowing and sowing. Even in the gardens also many people. So all the solid waste, okay, it is collected and in one place and then high temperature burning is done. Here you can see this is solid waste. Any type of waste people can burn, but sometimes children, if there is plastic materials or other chemical things or other things, okay, I can understand all the plants and leaves, dried leaves, dead plants and then paper burning is fine, but if other products are there in that waste, it will create a lot of hazard, okay. So it should be taken care of. Now what they do, chemical and other poisonous waste are burned in large furnaces or incinerators. It is incinerators. This method is harmful and causes air pollution. Now in many places, especially in the factories and in the areas where there is chemical waste, actually chemical or poisonous waste will be there in the factories or industries. What they do, there is a type of a furnace which is given in your textbook. You can see the picture in this in way of furnace, and then they dump all the waste there. You can see a cylindrical furnace, and then they put on fire. Like you have furnaces, maybe you have seen in your house when you have barbecue, those charcoal and all that, you put fire on. So this is a type of a cylindrical furnace which is found in Vienna in Austria. It is in Europe, and here all the chemical waste are dumped in it, and then what they are done, they are burned in the furnaces or incinerators. Okay, this is called incinerators, okay, in the process of burning. But of course, there, if you are dumping all chemical and poisonous waste and burning it, there will be smoke, there will be air pollution. That is not at all good thing. But yes, of course, the furnaces are important for the industries and factories, so they burn it. You can see this, okay, burning fire. Okay, and this is a way of waste management, and these are called incinerators. I-N-C-I-N-E-R-A-T-O-R-S. So these furnaces or incinerators. Here, those poisonous waste which you can, if you dump in the open area, it will cause hazard. So they put it in the furnace and then put the fire and burn it. But of course, there will be air pollution and smoke all around. Okay, so this is a way of waste management, that is burning. Thank you.